Raising the Benchmark, a guide to excellence. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase that you might have heard in various contexts. Raise the benchmark. Understanding this phrase is not just about adding new words to your vocabulary, but also about grasping the concept of setting new standards and goals. So, let's get started and find out how this phrase can be applied in both personal and professional settings. To raise the benchmark means to increase the standards or expectations that need to be met in order to be considered successful or satisfactory. A benchmark is a standard or point of reference against which things may be compared or assessed. So, when we talk about raising it, we're talking about aiming higher, pushing boundaries, and setting new goals that are more challenging than before. This phrase is often used in business, education, and personal development contexts. The term benchmark originally comes from the fields of surveying and engineering, where it referred to a mark made on a permanent object that served as a reference point for measuring altitudes. Over time, the term evolved in its usage to represent a standard by which other things are measured or judged. Hence, to raise the benchmark implies elevating those standards to achieve greater excellence. Let's look at some examples of how to use this phrase in sentences. The new CEO wants to raise the benchmark for customer service. Our teacher is raising the benchmark for what is considered a passing grade. This year, the team is focused on raising the benchmark for environmental sustainability. Using the phrase in different contexts helps to illustrate its versatility and the broad range of situations where it can be applied. Raising the benchmark is crucial for growth and improvement. It encourages individuals and organizations to constantly strive for excellence, innovate, and not become complacent with current achievements. This process leads to better performance, higher quality outcomes, and the setting of new records in various fields. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and importance of the phrase, raise the benchmark. By aiming higher and setting new standards, we challenge ourselves and others to continuously improve and achieve greater things. Remember, raising the benchmark is not just about reaching a goal, it's about setting a new one that's even higher. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos on English language learning. See you in the next video.